My problem says find the equation of the normal to the graph of y equals x cubed at the point where x equals 1. Okay, so a normal would be a line that's perpendicular to the graph or perpendicular to its tangent. So if I found the slope of the tangent, and then I could figure out what the slope that's perpendicular to that is, and then use that slope and the point on the curve to figure out the equation of the normal. That'll do it. Just going to draw a quick sketch so I know what I'm expecting. Y equals x cubed looks like that, roughly. The point where x equals 1. Yeah, my graph's not drawn to scale. Oh, well, not too bad. So the slope of the tangent is that. And the normal would be like that. Okay. So I'm going to need this point, which looks like it's 1, 1. And I'm going to need the slope of the normal. Okay, so at x is equal to 1, y equals 1 cubed, which is 1. So the point on the graph is 1, 1. And we also know that y is equal to x cubed. So dy on dx is 3x squared, because you bring the power down, multiply, and then make the power go down by 1. And so the slope of the tangent, so at x equals 1, dy on dx is 3 times 1 squared, which is 3, which is the slope of the tangent. Now, perpendicular lines, when you multiply their slopes, it comes out to 1. It comes out to -1, actually, yeah. And so the slope of the normal should be -1 over this. -1 over the slope of the tangent, which is -1/3. So we need a line with slope -1/3 through the point 1, 1. So the normal is the line with slope -1/3 through the point 1, 1. So the equation is y equals okay, so it starts at, and let's just think this through. It starts at the point 1, 1. And then for every distance away from 1 you go, it goes down 1/3. So it'll be -1/3 times x minus 1, because x minus 1 is how far away from 1 you are, and the -1/3 is how far down you go for every step of that size. Okay, and it's tradition to write it to expand that out. So 1 minus 1/3 of x plus 1/3, so that's 4/3 minus 1/3 of x. Okay, so it looks like it meets up here very high, but it's actually just down here. But my thing wasn't drawn to scale anyway, so everything was a bit stuffed. Cool, I think that's it. Except, I think because my graph's a bit dodgy, I might just check it on a computer-drawn graph to make sure it's working the way I expect it to. This is GeoGebra. I'll type in y equals x cubed. Okay. And then I'll put in the point 1, 1 up there. And then let me put in the line I've got. Y equals 4/3 minus 1/3 of x. Okay, so that's the line there. And yeah, up here on the x-axis, sorry, y-axis, it does look like it meets at 1 1/3. Excellent. I feel better now.